Hello and welcome everyone. Today we have a PS5 controller that has a problem with this analog. Apparently it's drifting. So I'll show you guys how I would be able to test this one on a computer and how we can get it fixed. So let's dive in. So first thing, let me see what website I use here to check it out. Okay, so I have this gamepad tester, and what I need to do is just to connect the controller to it here, and then just take a look without touching it. It tells me that this analog is drifting. See, just the second you push it, sometimes stay. Now it's good, but if you just push it one time, it's keep pushing itself. So it's a very good tool to test the controller without having a PlayStation or Xbox or any of these devices. So I'll pause the video for now until I take it apart, and I'll show you guys what has to be done. Alright guys, so here this is how the analog looks like. And if you take a look, remember our main problem that was drifting to the left. So if I push it left or right, this is what's going to move, not the top and right. So this is the top up and down, and this is left and right. So what am I going to do here would be, I'll get this out. Do I have to change the whole thing? Not really. The side one is the only one that's causing a problem, so we'll just get it out here. And they'll access it from the bottom side to desolder it, put a new one, and that's pretty much it. Here. And as you guys know, flux solder. That's really all you need in this kind of repair. I can use the wick, I can use the solder suction, whatever is going to work best for us. Let's see which one is going to work better. Here, here, here. Okay. This one doesn't take anything at all. Looks like I have to clean it. Of course. The second I decide I'm going to record a video, things doesn't want to work the way they should. Okay, now it's clean. Okay, here. So here, these two are free. This one is not, because I wasn't really able to get all the solder out. I have a trick for this. Rather than applying more solder and then suck it, it's gonna take a little bit of time from me. Time always a problem, so for that reason you always gotta find a way to deal with these situations. So two are free. I'll heat this side up. And I'll pull it out with my hand. Okay. Still doesn't want to come out. Now definitely it will come out. It's really hard to find a good angle to be able to record the video and do the work. Not really an easy task. I'm very sure it will take me some time until I get used to it. Okay. Out. Thanks very much. Perfect. So, here, got this part out. The bottom side is cleaned very well, so I don't have to clean here. That's my new piece. And here how this is going to work. Slide it in. Push it down and then toward the analog, and now it's set in its place. Now I can solder the back side of it and the job is done. Here. Just I'm trying to put things back together so we can test it together right after we solder the new piece. Okay, one side, the second one. Perfect. So now we're going to solder this. Easy and straightforward solder. Here. Skip. You go to the next. Then the middle one. That's how it looks like. Now I'll clean it. Still I have to clean it a little bit more. So now this got cleaned very well. I'll connect the battery, we'll test it just to make sure that everything works well. Now we'll go back to the gamepad. I'll switch the camera to... Okay. So still I got the remote control. Just to put the battery in, everything is still open. Scroll down a little bit. Left, right. Just make sure that all of these work well. These two buttons there, can't really access them from here, but maybe with the back of any button just to make sure that all of these are good. And yeah, nothing really else. I'll put the back together and that's it for today. You guys have a great day.